enjoy a... Oh, my face is so dirty. I feel fresh now. Moisturize my lips, please. Wait! Treat yourself with a hair spa. Cut my hair first. Help me with the mess, please. Ouch! Oh, I hate the annoying bugs. Apply the eye salve on my head. Pretty. I like the pleasant shampoo. Let's DIY some hair masks. And some basic conditioner and magic powder. 2 drops of honey. Keep stirring. It's so funny. Gorgeous. Now, turn my hair. Wow! Okay, time to style my hair. It's so funny! Gorgeous! Wait! Try a different color. Oh, yeah! I love these fancy accessories. Pretty! Wow! Please start with the body wash. Try the water now. That's really pretty. I think I need a hair removal. Be careful when using the razor. Amazing! Cure the wounds with bandage. Help me with the pimples. Wow, pimples are gone. Beautiful. Apply some body lotion now. Pretty. Put some pebbles on my back. I love the body oil. Wait! Treat your massage. Okay, pick a beautiful top. Oh, yeah!